Hello, welcome to the CATIA video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see drafted filleted pad option inside CATIA V5. So I have drawn this rectangle in the on the XY plane, and now I will apply this drafted filleted pad option over this rectangle. So it's basically a pad operation. Okay. Now here you can see the first limit length, that is 500 mm. So the first limit will be at a distance of 500 mm from this XY plane. Okay, and then we have to provide the second limit. Second limit will be this XY plane itself. Okay, because it is provided with respect to this second limit, this first limit length. And then here you have to provide this angle of this draft angle, so 5 degree, and you can make the preview. Okay, and here you can provide the fillets radius. So lateral first and second radius. I will try to explain the what do you mean by this three different things. So lateral radius will be basically the radius of this line which are connecting these two profiles. Okay, or this two cross sections. Okay, so it is 25 mm, and first limit radius will be equal to 5 mm, and second limit radius will be 5 mm. Okay, and here you can make a preview, and you can see over here this is the first limit radius. Okay, this top section. Okay, all the four edges will be applied with a fillet of 5 mm radius, and lateral edges will be applied with a fillet of 10 mm. And here you can just reverse this direction, so this same feature will get applied in opposite direction. Okay, and you can change the first limit and second limit. If I select the second limit, then it will be something like this. Okay, it will be something like this, and if I select the first limit, it will be something like this. So means what happens basically, whenever you do this drafted filleted pad operation, you can see our sketch is something like this, and this 5 mm draft will be actually applied in this bottom direction from limit 1 to limit 2. Okay, and because this sketch is basically drawn on limit 2, but it is applied from limit 1 to limit 2, so this will be draft outward from limit 1 to limit 2. And when I select second limit, means my sketch is now in second limit, so this draft will take place in this direction. So from this sketch only it will be drafted by the 5 degree inside direction. Okay, so in this way we can provide a draft, and here these options like fillets, these are not mandatory. If you deselect this and preview, the fillet will be not be there, and if you remove the angle, this will be normal pad operation. Okay, so this operation is kindly basically just some advanced feature of this pad operation, like providing the fillets and draft inbuilt. Okay, so that's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see this multi-pad option. That's all. Thank you.